Hey guys, and welcome to the last item shop right here in season 2. So let's go right into our item shop. Now we do see this guy again, so he's still here. You guys do have time for that. However, right now we can finally buy this dude right here and the glider, which I think is pretty sick. So let's take a look at it, and that's the glider. So right now, yep, you guys can get it right now in season 2 before season 3 starts. And of course we also have Moxie right here. Now let's go back and take a look. There we go. We still have X-Force. So yes, you guys still have time, to buy anything from X-Force. And once again, this is the bundle. So this is the best thing that you guys could get. And by the way, you cannot gift this out. There's also a few other things available, such as this skin right here, and just a few emotes, such as this one, and this one. Plus we do have this star wand available right now. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.